Hello, we are in front of this home right here behind me. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Our clients are out of state. And so what we're doing today is meeting the builder to walk through the home and determine what's right, what's wrong, so we can make sure that it's fixed before our clients actually purchase. So this is called the walkthrough. We're gonna go inside and show you how that works. Let's go. Yes, so we're waiting for the builder to walk in, and we're going to walk through the home with the builder and just find out what's going on. We're going to blue tape it. So he's going out to his truck to get some blue tape so we can identify anything that could be wrong with the home, and that way they can fix it before our client sells. So this is a great process to go through because you're able to just become acquainted with the home that you're buying.
So yes, that is an initial walkthrough. And so as you can see, we walked around the home, downstairs, upstairs, even the outside of the home, just identifying any and everything that could be a deficiency with the home. And so luckily, DRB Homes, it has a lot of checks and balances, and they really go through the home themselves to make sure that they are doing things properly and up to a really high standard. And so, but what we like to do is encourage our clients to, even though we know that the builders are great builders and they do great products, we still know that the home is man-made. So it's good to have someone to put eyes on it for you, someone that you hired to represent you. And so we always encourage our clients to have a home inspection before the initial walkthrough. That way you can use that report as a negotiating tool. What you do is you email it to the builder and you say, hey, these things came up in our report. I'd like to have these things addressed by the initial walkthrough. walkthrough, or definitely before the final walkthrough. And the builder will go through that document and say, hey, we can definitely take care of these things. And you know that you had someone to look at that for you that represented you, and not someone that the builder had to look at it for them, right? You're hiring a home inspector to represent you. And so we always encourage our clients to do that. So you want to make sure you take that into account when you're buying new construction. To, the home is man-made. It's going to be a great home, but it's not perfect. But we want it to be as close to perfect as possible. And so when you have someone that can go through that home and look at it from top to bottom, that home inspector is going to do that for you and give you a nice report to be able to use as a negotiating tool. So listen, this part of the process, this is where you're getting really close to getting those keys. And you're getting ready to move into the home and you're like so excited. But anyhow, so listen, if you need any assistance with purchasing a home here in Georgia, you're relocating to Georgia, you are, in the military, you are a retired veteran, you are a doctor, a nurse, first responder, educator, anything like that, give me a call. I would be happy to assist you with this purchase here in Georgia. You would love it in Georgia. We have all 4 seasons. That's really, really cool. And we have a great, great Southern hospitality feel that everyone loves. So get in contact with me. My information is right here. You can call me, text me, email me. I will respond. Find me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And hit that notification button so that you can be notified of every single video that I have dropping, which is weekly. So go ahead, get in contact with me. Let's get you started on purchasing your brand new, beautiful home here in Georgia. I can't wait to work with you, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.